Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, my today's video is creative and at the same time it will give you one edge that is very simple and easy design patterns and only one embroidery pattern, that is lazy daisy stitch. Friends, all of these patterns are designed usually by using the art of hand embroidery, and with that one embroidery stitch that is being focused and enhanced in these stitches is lazy daisy stitch. Friends, lazy daisy embroidery is the simplest, easiest form of embroidery. If you are a embroidery beginner, if you don't know the art of hand embroidery, if you are just freshy, you are new, you don't know what is hand embroidery, then kindly do start with this pattern, that is lazy daisy stitch. All of you are seeing very beautiful, amazing, stylish and trendy patterns of lazy daisy stitch along with a very beautiful and exquisite touch and delicate embroidery patterns of with a blend of beads and usage of, you can enhance the beauty, you can beautify them by using beads, pearls or many more creativities as per the choice of the equipments and materials which you like to use onto your fabricated materials. And you can use these flowers, floral patterns as motifs. You can add it as a all over big for a enhanced look of heavy look of embroidery as a all over spray onto your shirts. You can make front and back motifs of your shirts. You can make sleeve borders, sleeve motifs with these floral embroidery patterns. You can design the borders of your dupatta, scarf, pallu, shawls as well. Even you can embroider these patterns onto your blouses, onto your saris, onto your gowns, maxis, frocks, any type of kalida dresses you want. So for more creativity, more new ideas, simple and easy design based DIY type hand embroidery ideas, do subscribe our channel and stay tuned for the upcoming latest new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves. Hope to see you soon in my channel, back with the new upcoming videos. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and do leave comments below my videos so that I could get to know what you feel about my content.